If I were working on this lead and unable to schedule them, unable to get a hold of them, what I would do is I'd click this change status button and mark it to in progress, meaning that we've attempted to try and schedule, but we have yet to be able to schedule them. However, in this case, let's say we've got Thomas on the line and he's ready to actually schedule an appointment. I'm going to select the Smart Scheduling button. And what this is doing right now is it's creating both a customer as well as a project underneath that customer. What it's then doing is creating a service appointment, which is this number here, which is what we can do so we can actually schedule that project. One thing you're going to notice here is that it's in status open, meaning that this customer now has a customer file and a project, but it is yet to be scheduled to an appointment. We have two ways underneath Smart Scheduling to schedule an appointment. We have what we call optimal slots, and then you can actually assign this to a specific design associate. One thing to note with if you pick this option on the right-hand side, a specific design associate, you'll notice that the times are not in rounded numbers. They are the first available time that the design associate can actually do the appointment. The optimal slots here, what those are doing is they're making a suggestion when it's most convenient for us or optimal for us to complete that appointment. There are three factors that go into these golden slots here. They're how quickly can we get out to the appointment, the travel time, meaning that the design associate is either at an appointment or at their home base, where it includes travel time to the appointment, and then priority, meaning that one design associate may need to get appointments before another one does. So the one thing I would suggest is if you're going to schedule an appointment using these golden slots, which are if a customer can make one of these work, these are the most convenient for us. So let's say we have Thomas on the line and he agrees that he can do a Thursday at 9:30 a.m. slot. I click anywhere on this box and it's going to go ahead and schedule the appointment. This now has created an event on my Salesforce calendar as well as my Outlook calendar and is immediately available to sync down to my tablet. What I can also do is I can click the View Service Appointment button. And what happens here is now we can see that it's assigned this lead to our design associate, Carly, and it's now at a status issued lead, meaning that Carly now has an appointment on her schedule.